Hi there. Today we're taking a look at 10 awesome replica and kit cars for sale in the US. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to participate in the 500 subscribers model kit car giveaway. Let's get started. Number 1, 1962 Replica Austin Healey, $20,000, Santaquin, Utah. According to the seller, this one gives you the best of both worlds. You've got classic British design paired with real American muscle. It's running a Ford 302 V8 with a T5 manual transmission and a Ford 8-inch rear end. The interior is fresh and clean. The car sounds great, smells great, and always gets attention. Seller says it's an absolute blast to drive. Number 2, 1962 Lotus Super 7, $69,900, New Haven, Connecticut. Seller's description says this build is one of a kind. It's a replica of a Lotus Super 7, powered by a Corvette LS1 all-aluminum engine pushing 500 horsepower, backed by an automatic 4-speed transmission. Inside, there's a wood grain dash and a removable steering wheel. The car also features disc brakes and a Corvette rear end. According to the seller, this one has won plenty of trophies. It's very fast, and it only weighs a little over 2,200 pounds. Number 3, 1956 Porsche 356 Speedster, $39,500, Miami, Florida. According to the seller, this Porsche 356 Speedster replica has been fully restored inside and out, and it's even set to appear on South Beach Classics with Ted Vernon. It's built on a 1963 Volkswagen chassis with an upgraded 1,914cc engine, electronic ignition, stainless exhaust, and disc brakes. Accessories include chrome Porsche wheels with white wall tires, a wood Porsche steering wheel, vintage gauges, fiberglass bucket seats, and a new tan canvas top. Seller says it runs strong, looks stunning, and sounds amazing. Number 4, 1998 Shelby Cobra, $35,000, Dania Beach, Florida. Seller's notes say this Cobra replica is in very good condition. Built in 1998, it's powered by a 351 Windsor engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The car has disc brakes, and according to the seller, it's ready for someone serious. No trades. Number 5, 1969 Dodge Coronet Super B, $40,000, Tucson, Arizona. Seller's description says this is a replica of the 1969 Coronet Super B, finished in olive green with a black vinyl top. Under the hood, it's packing a 440 that's been bored and stroked to 514 cubic inches, with Edelbrock aluminum heads, MSD ignition, long tube headers, and a high-performance camshaft. It's got a brand new A1727 transmission, strange disc brakes, billet wheels, Mickey Thompson tires, and Caltrac suspension. Inside, there are new bench seats and a Grant steering wheel. This one's loaded with performance upgrades front to back. Number 6, 2021 Ford AC Cobra, $58,000, Miami, Florida. According to the seller, this is a 2021 Factory 5 AC Cobra with no donor parts used. Power comes from a 302 Boss crate engine making about 340 horsepower, paired with a 5-speed transmission. It also has a new Holley Spider 2 EFI system. Seller says it's basically brand new and a thrill to drive. Number 7, 1964 Ford GT40, $25,000, Livingston Manor, New York.
It's got in it.
Oh, really? Okay.
That's why I'm saying where do you want to put it? Make it easy for you.
Seller says this is a very rare GT40 replica, part of a run of only 4 cars built by Ray Sykes and Archie. It uses a Pontiac 2.8-liter V6 with an automatic transmission built on a Fiero base. It's got the correct GT40 dash, clams, and styling, all fashioned after the 1964 GT40 X1. The seller says everything works and it's a fully running and driving car. Number 8, 1952 MG Replica, $12,500, Rockford, Ohio. According to the seller, this MG replica was built in 1987 by British Coach Works, sitting on a 1972 Volkswagen chassis. It runs a 1600 dual-port engine with a 4-speed transmission. Recent updates include a new carburetor, intake, plugs, battery, and valve adjustment. The car comes with a top and side curtains, a heater, and a fold-down windshield. Number 9, 1965 Shelby Cobra, $49,077, Wyoming, Minnesota. Seller's description says this Shelby Cobra replica is powered by a 427 side oiler with 606 horsepower at just 2,300 pounds. It's got a Tremec 5-speed transmission and was built by Ultimate Classics. Comes with all the build sheets and an extra set of tires. The car was appraised at $52,000. Seller says they may consider a partial trade for a custom Merc or muscle car. Number 10, 2013 Factory 5 Type 65 Coupe, $99,500, Reno, Nevada. According to the seller, this is not just a car, it's a purpose-built, SCCA-approved race machine that's also street legal. It's a 2013 Factory 5 Type 65 Coupe with a custom-built 461 V8 making 522 horsepower and 577 foot-pounds of torque. It features a 5-speed Richmond transmission, Alcon disc brakes, independent rear suspension, custom fuel cell, and top-tier racing safety equipment. The interior is fully finished with leather details, vintage gauges, racing seats, and a modern HVAC system. Seller says it's immaculate, show quality, and heart-stoppingly fast with 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. That would be it for this episode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See ya!